We were working with a potential new client for about 18 months, doing calls, reaching out to this person, and a period of time had gone by and I hadn't heard back from the gentleman. Our team is really good with following up with just little soft things, articles, video. One afternoon I come in and one of my team members walks in. They were so excited because they had sent a recent video of ours out, just impromptu. He just sent it out and he ended up getting a return email back from this gentleman that said, essentially, I just love this video. It's excellent. Thanks for all the great content. And we want to get things rolling to start the new year. And it not only made my day, but it made the team's day as well. It was fantastic. When we started the video marketing, I came in with the expectation that we were going to send out the first video and the second video, and then I was going to get a lot of phone calls or I was going to get a lot of email responses from clients. And that's not what happened. We sent it out and I would get, one or two emails from people. I would get a phone call here or there. And at first I looked at that and I said, oh, maybe we're not doing something right with this. But that evolved as we went through time because I started to realize that video, like anything else, is really more of a long game. And as I pivoted kind of our train of thought with using video, it really opened up a lot of new doors.